Data Navi by Panasonic. Panasonic heating and cooling solutions. Now taking you to the next level with Data Navi. Just point your smartphone to the LED light source of the remote controller. Utilizing a smartphone with camera and dedicated app, Data Navi receives information super fast by picking up high-frequency LED light signals to support you with data and options for your system. Operation procedures store current operation status in the cloud. Manual data. Easy to view the technical data. Energy management. Store daily, weekly, monthly electricity consumption. Easy maintenance alerts and data transfer in case of a malfunction. All information at a glance. Installers can store maintenance work and easily refer back to it. Data Navi, a simple and quick solution using a smartphone with standard control. Panasonic.